If you use Google Drive every day, starring files and folders is one of the easiest ways to keep your most important items organized and easy to find. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add files or folders to Starred on Google Drive in just a few simple clicks. This is a super helpful trick if you want to save time, stay organized, and quickly jump back to your most used documents later on. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Drive tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once you're on your Drive homepage, find the file or folder you want to star. You can use the search bar at the top if you already know the name, or just scroll through your files until you spot it. Now, right-click the file or folder. This will open up a menu with several options. In many cases, you'll see an option that says Organize. Hover over that and then click Add to Starred. That will instantly save the item to your Starred section. In some Google Drive layouts, the option may appear a little differently. You might see Add to Starred directly in the right-click menu. If that happens, just click it and Google Drive will mark that file or folder as starred right away. So whether it's under Organize or shown directly, the result is the same. Now let's say you want to check all of your starred items. On the left side of Google Drive, look at the sidebar and click Starred. This will open a filtered view showing every file and folder you've saved as important. It's a really useful way to keep track of documents you open often, especially if your drive is full of work files, school projects, or shared folders. If you want to remove something from Starred later, that's just as easy. Right-click the starred file or folder again, and this time choose Remove from Starred. The item will disappear from the starred list, but it will still stay in your drive unless you delete it manually. So starring is just a way to bookmark items, not remove them from your account. This feature is great for staying organized, especially if you're managing lots of files and folders and want faster access to the ones that matter most. You can star important contracts, client folders, class notes, project files, or anything else you need to reach quickly. So to recap, open Google Drive, find your file or folder, right-click it, choose Add to Starred, and then use the Starred section in the left sidebar to view everything you've saved. And if you ever change your mind, just remove it from Starred in a couple of clicks. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.